We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb. To hear, as in to hear a noise or some music. The past tense or past simple of the verb to hear is pronounced as heard, a long sound, a schwa sound. Heard. The participle is also pronounced as heard. Let's find some examples. The past tense. Yesterday, at home, I heard a strange noise. The participle, an example of sentence would be, I have heard the story of this man. Heard. Overall, hear, heard. Heard. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Here are videos for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs in English, practice and improve your English pronunciation. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.